Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back and we're doing our hair. This is what we're doing today. We have a wig. I'm showing you guys what the wig looks like. This is a kinky straight wig from Klaiyi hair. It is a 13x4 lace front wig, but she didn't always look like this. So this is what she looked like straight out of the package. Hey, this is me putting her on. Lace still intact. The knots were bleached a little bit. They're bleached a little bit. So yeah, this is me in the wig at first. I tried a style, wasn't really feeling it. I felt like I could do better. So I had to take the wig off and like really think about it and come back and try again because y'all, how I had this wig looking was not it. Okay? So that brings us to here. I cut a little bit more of the lace off and I straightened the roots and I washed it, blow dried it. So here we are. And I'm definitely feeling it a lot more. I realized that I needed to leave a lot of my edges out in order for like the wig to work for me and my hairline. And at first it just wasn't given and it looked a mess. Now we're cute. I could work with it. The mistake I made at first was I put a wig cap on and I hairsprayed my whole entire hairline so I couldn't pull any hair out. That's where I messed up at, but not today. So what I'm gonna do, well, what I did was pull my edges out first and then hairspray the lace. So after spraying the lace, I am going to use this elastic band to hold it down in place, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and blow dry it on cool for a little while, and then I kind of just sit around for like 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and just to make sure like it's set and dry. And then with the same hairspray, I'm gonna go in with my edges. Now these are all this is my hair. There's none of the wig edges out. I wouldn't have minded using some of the wig hair just to like camouflage the lace a little more, but I know that when I put my hair down, you're not gonna see the sides too much, so I'm not too bothered. So I'm just going in with a little more hairspray and blow drying. You guys, do not keep touching the hairspray once you like set it, because with your fingers it'll start to turn white. So yeah, don't do what I did. But now I'm just going in with some curls because we are curling this wig. The hair is so pretty. It is super soft. I washed and blow dried this wig. Please wash your hair as soon as you get it, because I promise the textures just get better after that first like initial wash. And I don't know, it's just something about like a wig traveling from China, like it needs to be washed. So I'm just going in with this Remington like twist and curl flat iron curling iron situation to give the hair some cute bouncy curls. And we're gonna speed through this because all we're doing is curling our hair.
Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put a nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Lean with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clips on it.
This little curling iron is like my favorite. You can straighten your hair with it, and then you can curl your hair with it. And because it's like bent how it's bent, it just makes curling hair so easy. And look at the curls. They're real cute. They're soft. They're loose. Like they could be tighter if you go a little slower, take smaller sections. But I love like a loose curl. So this is what we look like. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to link Klaiyi's hair information down in the description box for you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.